Everyone. So today I'm going to talk about social media. As the internet era, social media is widely been popular everywhere. With the ease of internet in our devices called mobile, now everyone has a direct access to internet. When internet boomed, the social media also flourished. There were a lot of websites by which we can easily socialize with people. Back in the days when we have to socialize, we do a get together. Events like birthday party or road trips are the most common events. But nowadays, it's very much easy and convenient for us if we have to say hello to some other person. Unlike earlier, we used to write a letter. In a similar way, lot of things that has been changed. The way of communication is changed. People try to get connected always. So, and all this happened with the help of social media. So it's a very great tool. No need to wait for any information. Websites like YouTube, Instagram, or anything can give you the content whatever you really like, be it from news or a big mass broadcasting. You can get it. There is a new ways by which you can interact with the people. Earlier, the mass communication is only in audio format. Now you can create your own video, and social media is going to give you a stage where you can upload that video and showcase your talent. That is how you can be easily being uh, share your ideas, thoughts to everywhere. Now you cannot say that I don't get a chance, I don't get an opportunity. Opportunity is in your hand. You just have one simple mobile phone with you. With the help of internet, you can reach out to million of people. Having said that, your content must be that much great. Otherwise, it's same challenge and same issue. Having said that, people use social media all day in day out of the day, endless scrolling, not giving attention on their physical body, or doing exercise, playing games. All the games industry has been revolutionized. Games are also available in your mobile. You can spend your endless hours without watching what exactly is happening around you. Any Tom, Dick, and Harry can go ahead and comment on any political issue which he or she has no idea about it. Tweets are becoming endless, comments are becoming endless, no matter what anyone thinks, vulgarity, languages, there is no control on it. But still, we cannot control it. If government say that, okay, don't use this thing, then people say that it's a freedom of speech. Why the government is interfering in it? Now again, there is a problem. It is not regulated industry. Yeah, minor regulations were there for hate speeches, for uh, for uh, for the content that is not safe for usage. I would say the adult content, but still, the far more social media is not regulated at all. There is so much ambiguity. What is right? What is wrong? There are big players who are owning the social media, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. So the policies of them are they have been utilized. I think I'm debating. I'm already been debated from the topic, but yeah, I think that it's a tool that has been utilized by everyone, but in a moderate way, so that they can understand what is right and what is wrong. If we use the social media without knowing its impact, then it is going to create a big problem which we are not aware of right now. But I think nowadays people started using it very carefully. They stopped using uploading the photographs every time. Still, I see that there are a lot of people they are doing it. But nowadays, the new tools has taken the place of social medias like ChatGPT and all. So we must have to ensure that wisely utilize all these tools because these all have a very far implications. That